Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to attempt to show you how to draw this item, but also probably the main part is the blue is under, over, and really pretty easy. This is what I started with. And every one of them is going to be a little bit different depending on how far away you put your ellipses. So I'm going to just move this over and I'm going to have just a small amount. Now I'm going to take my 2-point line and go from there to there, because I want a flat side, and then I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key. I'm going to delete those lines. Now, normally I smart fill, but at this today, I'm going to weld that together, making all that one piece. Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the control key, do that right there. Now I'm going to leave that line. I'm going to group them together in Control D, and I'm going to rotate them 90 degrees. And because I wasn't a, perfect, exact fit, the egg shape, not really a circle, you've got this shape. So let's just delete that one. I'm going to set my nudge factor. Wow, this is huge. We don't need to make it that big. Still 10 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 12. And I'm going to fill in those parts with blue. Then I'm going to nudge them over. Now what I want to do is I'm going to nudge this out of the way. I'm going to weld these together so they're all one piece. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. But I'm going to make that one red. Now you see the red's on top because it was the last one picked. This is something I love, the Intersect tool, and I found a little shortcut. If you will take a rectangle, and the most important things is you need to have the 4 white areas showing. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and go to the other one. So I got 4 whites, and do every other one and make sure you got 4 whites. I'm just hitting the plus key and do every other one. Now I'm going to hold down the shift key and select the 4 boxes. Instead of doing this individually, I'm going to go to Object, Group, and group it together. Now I'm going to select my 4 boxes, and I'm going to shift select the red, and I'm going to go up to the Intersect tool, and look what it did. It intersected those 4 boxes. Now, because they're grouped together, I can delete them. I'm going to take the red, go up to Object, Order, back a page. But when I nudge these back over, it's going to appear that the red, well, it doesn't, I mean, it does appear, but there's still a cover up. But I don't know anything about printing, but that's a pretty cool design. I don't know that it's going to look any different with the black box, but we'll give it a shot. Object, Order, back a page. Looks a little different because of thin lines right here. Pretty cool little project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.